viewers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam, for those who don't know me, and today we are doing a DIY wall decor. You may have seen them or come past them, kind of like a memory collage idea for your spaces, whether it be your living room or family room of sorts. And I've always wanted to do one, but I don't know why I didn't do it. I guess I just never really thought to going the full length for it, but I finally have a frame for it. I wanted one that was a decent size. I didn't want a small one. I didn't want to put it directly on the wall. I wanted to be able to move it if I had to, if we had to move or whatever. So I've got the frame, I've got the background paper that I'm going to stick the photos to, as well as printed off a lot of different types of photos, whether it be just like random plant photos in black and white that I've taken personally, different photos over the past, just a little bit of everything, just so that I had a good variety to choose from. In total, I have 85 pictures. So we'll see what we can come up with. I may have too many, I'm not sure. I didn't know what size to make them, but I figured that we could cut them up as we go. Trim them up wherever needed. Some of the photos didn't come out as well as the others, so definitely know that not all of them will be used because of that. The other thing that when I was selecting photos, I made sure to have them all in black and white so that the color scheme for it was very simple and easy to pair with no matter the space that I put it in. So I know a lot of paintings and just pictures with friends and families, you might be wearing colors that you aren't expecting to put into your living room. So making it black and white was a very easy route to keep everything cohesive in color and just for pairing reasons later on. The interesting part about this will be definitely the
collage part.
I'm not sure if you guys are, or if anyone else is the same way as this, but collages were never my thing. I think they can look great. I think they look fabulous if they're done right.
Can I do it right though?
I always hated doing it, not because I hate it, but more of the thought process that has to go into it. Because I want to make sure that everything is like lined up to a certain point and spaced out appropriately. So I do overthink it, I think a little more than some people do. So we'll see how well the collage part goes. If I'm able to do it, if I'm not, I might have to make it spaced out collage version, if you will. So for the materials for this, we'll go over that actually right now. Not gonna be too complicated. I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible because the collage part I know is going to take me a long time, or a lot longer than it probably should. So I've got the frame from Michaels. I've got poster paper that I'm using to put the photos attached to. from the dollar store. I have some tape that I'll probably use for the photos. I'm probably not going to glue them down just because there's no real purpose in that. And if I ever wanted to reuse the photos, it would be the best way to do that. For possibly cutting the photos to trim them and make it more like a collage, I guess, I'm going to probably use between X-Acto knife and a ruler or scissors, depending on my cutting. Scissors are definitely the easier approach, but if you want like a perfect straight edge, the X-Acto knife is your go-to. So we'll see how that goes. Kind of an idea or a heads up if you do decide to do this as well. I think we'll just get into it and see how it goes. So let's get into it. So I did prepare a sketch/plan of what I wanted as a result. So with the size of the frame being 24 by 36, I wanted to make sure that I created kind of like 3 separate sections. Top and bottom, a thinner row of images, with the middle being a little more oversized, just to kind of give it a little more interesting appeal to the piece. I want to thank you guys for watching the video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, as well as subscribe to more videos like these for in the future, and I hope you guys have a terrific day wherever you are. See you in the next one. Bye guys.